It's Luke's, or Lux, however you say it, fitness unboxing. This is what came in the mail today. I found it at the front door. Thank you, Mal, for, I don't know, showing me your pictures. And this is what has arrived. Oh, I can't even open it. This huge mother father. What are we? Fat burning protein powder, which is exactly 1.2 kgs worth. And then I also have this awesome Sleep Burner Plus pink lemonade. So you're supposed to take this, I think it's 30 minutes before you go to bed, with some water, and it's supposed to help you burn fat while you sleep. And this awesome other one, which is Berry Blast, is the Fat Burner Plus. Totally forgot what this one was for, but yeah, very cool. I'm super excited. And this awesome ass shaker. So it's pretty tough, pretty hard plastic, so pretty neat. Super excited. I got this via PartPay, so very cool. I love PartPay. Very excited. Hope this all works. Hope it makes me burn fat, makes me feel more fuller. And thank you, PartPay. So I thought I would just go through what these are all about. This Fat Burner Plus, I have Berry Blast flavour. You had the choice of berry or mango, and I chose berry. So this one here, if you can see, basically you take this first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before you have your food. So when you wake up, do the instructions, and that's pretty cool. And then we have the Sleep Burner Plus, which is basically you take this 30 minutes before bed, but you need to mix it and drink it immediately as the contents may settle. So don't muck around, get it done. Protein powder. Make up a shake. Take this straight after you finish your workout. Check that baby out. Some water. Oh, can I say that it smells and sort of tastes very nice, but I use my teeth to open. So, gotta look for my scoop. Found it! I think it's 2 scoops of this, 200 ml of water, shake, and cook 30 minutes before you have your food. Actually, when you wake up, then you take it 30 minutes before you eat. But I just got home from work, haven't eaten anyway, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Boom! And even you, we got one of these silver things in here. I've always wondered what the hell they were. So don't ask me if I'm doing it right, but yeah, something like this. Yeah, because I found one in the washing in the dishes one time. I was like, what the hell is this? Made me think of eggs. Cheers. Oh, you can't even open the motherfucker. Cheers.